one day someone told me.
Hey, don't be sad today, okay? Make sure you smile. Don't forget to smile and bomba clot.
It's like a Mexican McDonald's. Oh, cool. That is so cool. We're getting Mexican McDonald's. So we got Mexican McDonald's. The breakfast. It comes in this little container here. I have gotten the hot cake. So my breakfast looks like this. Which is just pancakes and sausage. And this is how it looks. Desayuno. So now I'm gonna do a taste test of it. We got, what is this? Maple syrup, jalapeno, which is like peppers. We don't get this in America. And ketchup. Alright. They also gave us forks and knives. So I'm about to put some maple syrup on the pancake and try it. So cute, the little maple sauce. Put that on it. Do a taste test. So many things happened. We got a flat tire. Changed it. And now are on the way to the wonder of the world, which is also 2 hours and 27 minutes away from the main area. But with God's grace, it will be a good day. It's called Chichen Itza. Very popular and was built by the Mayans, I think, ages ago. So that should be fun. This is the sausage, which is also really good. And now I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast in peace. Bye. Alright, so we are
Bold court into the left side. Have you guys been in Xcaret?
No.
Do you hear about it?
I heard that's a cenote.
Yeah, but not for swim.
I've
yeah.
heard about it, yeah.
And to the bold court is like the people make a representation on Xcaret, on the park.
Okay.
Did you hear about the park?
Yes, I've heard about the park.
So this is the official field.
Okay.
Then at north you get a cenote, not for swim, just to look. Okay? Then you gotta go back and visit the Temple of the Warriors and Group of the Thousand Columns. So part of the place, cenote to look. Then the observatory. And the last one, the ossuary.
Okay.
Walk to the pyramid and come to the exit over there.
Okay, perfect.
Don't lose these tickets, because with those tickets you got the 50% off for the whole activities you want to do in Cancun or in Playa del Carmen.
Okay.
So what's on the schedule for these days?
So tomorrow we're going to Tulum with a driver. Today is Chichen Itza, and then just exploring Cancun for the rest of the time. Yeah.
Okay. If you want to go, for example, to Isla Mujeres, here we got 2 for 1 with those tickets.
Oh, cool. Okay.
It's like a catamaran. You got the open bar included on board. You got a private beach club. You got everything included.
Cool.
Snorkeling and everything. So
we'll have to come back. We're so short on time.
Perfecto.
But thank you.
Have a good day, guys. Take care.
Thank you. It was so hectic to get inside, guys. Oh my gosh. They literally wanted to charge us for everything. Charge us for a guide. Charge us to bring this camera in. Like basically charge our whole lives. But we are, I think, about 200 meters from the actual attraction. So yeah, I'm hot and I'm tired, but Oh, heck no. Oh. Oh my gosh. Guys, we are finally here. This is Chichen Itza. How gorgeous is it? Wow. I've never seen anything this beautiful, really. I mean, oh my god. That's so beautiful. The sound is gorgeous. First question, if you can, will you climb? So I know it's prohibited, right? We're not supposed to, but if I had the opportunity to, I probably would. Because it looks really fun. It looks like it would be fun. Really? Yeah. Okay.
If you could, would you live in the Mayan civilization?
I think it's such an amazing civilization. I think the ancient civilization itself was just so smart. Thinking about, you know, the mathematical concepts that they came up with just to even build this pyramid, I would want to learn the foundation.
Okay. Where are you visiting?
So I'm born in Jamaica, but living in Miami, Florida.
Yeah.
I love my experience. I think overall everybody was friendly and welcoming. It's a little bit hot, so probably next time I would bring more water. But otherwise, it was amazing.
It's amazing.
Yes.
And what's your opinion about Chichen Itza?
My opinion, I think it's a good thing that, you know, the landscape has been preserved because they are capturing so much history. And I think as long as it can be preserved, it should be for as long as we can.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. What is the school's name?
Maestro de American teacher.
Oh, very cool. Very
Yeah.
nice. Okay, awesome. I have a YouTube channel, so more than likely I'll put this up too.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you give me the name? So I will.
You're absolutely beautiful, Leah.
Thank you.
What's the name of your channel?
All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye. Hello, guys. So we're about to surprise my best friend, Adriana, for her 30th birthday. So as you guys know, I'm in Cancun and it's my best friend's birthday. She doesn't know I'm here. So I'm about to walk downstairs and surprise her, and I'm gonna try to catch it on video for you guys. So Adriana boo, I love you, girl, and I'm so happy to celebrate your birthday with you in Cancun. So let's surprise you. Yes.
Not the shirt.
The shirts! The shirts. We're here for a good time.
Oh my god.
So I'm gonna feel great. I'm so happy. We're gonna celebrate your birthday.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's, you know what? Instagram has this new feature where you can tell where people are. And those has this called Maps.
Okay.
And I was thinking, were you switching over there?
Oh my god, what? You guys are fucking
And how did you
So did you check on?
No!
Oh my god.
You really didn't know?
I suspected that there was something right? I told him because I'm like, ain't no way that her that don't rock outside him all the time when I text him. No,
Cheers to you, bro. You did well.
No freaking way.